Good morning. I am Amruni Sandeep Zavade from class 6. Today I am going to tell you some formulas of maths. First, the natural numbers. The counting numbers are called as natural numbers. The natural numbers between A to B is B minus A plus minus 1. The natural numbers from A to B is B minus A minus 1. The natural numbers they are called as counting numbers, whole numbers. The numbers, the natural numbers along with zero are called as whole numbers. The whole numbers denoted by W. The whole numbers are the difference between two consecutive whole numbers is 1. The even numbers, the number that are divisible by 2 are called as even numbers. The general form of numbers is 2n. The sum of first n even number is n into n plus 1. The not the even numbers are denoted by e. The even numbers are the difference between two consecutive even numbers is 2. The sum of two even numbers is even. The product of two even numbers is even. Odd numbers, the number when it is divided by 2, the answer it leaves remainder 1. It is called as odd number. The general form of odd number is 2n minus 1. The sum of first n odd number is n square. The odd numbers are the sum of two odd numbers is even. The product of two odd numbers is odd. The sum of a even and a odd number is odd. The product of a odd and a even number is even. Successor. The next number of the given number is called as successor. The predecessor, the just before number of the given number is called as predecessor. Multiple. The product of a number with the counting number is called as multiple. Divisibility of 2. If the number has 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in its units place, then the number is divisible by 2. The divisibility of 3. If the sum of digits in a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Divisibility of 4. If the unit and tens place of the number is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. Divisibility of 5. If the number has 0 or 5 in its units place, then the number is divisible by 5. Divisibility of 6. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. Divisibility of 8. If the last three digits of a number are divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. Divisibility of 9. If the sum of digits in a number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Divisibility of 10. If the unit place of the number is 0, then the number is divisible by 10. Divisibility of 11. The sum the difference of sum of the alternating digits is 0 or the divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Integers. The positive numbers, negative numbers with 0 are called as integers. The set of 1, 2, 3, etc. are called as positive integers. The set of minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. are called as negative integers. The set of 0, 1, 2, 3 are called as non-negative integers. The set of 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. are called as non-positive integers. The addition of two positive integers is a positive integer. The addition of two negative integers is a negative integer. The repeated addition is called as multiplication. The product of a negative and a positive integer is a negative integer. The product of two positive integer is a positive integer. The product of two negative integer is a negative integer. The repeated subtraction is called as subtraction division. The division of an integer by 0 is not defined. The division of 0 with an integer is 0. The division of two positive integer is a positive integer. The division of an two negative integer is a negative integer. The division of an a negative and a positive integer is a negative integer. Rational number. A number should be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are rational integers and q does not equals to 0 is called as rational number. A, a rational number may be 0, positive or negative. A rational number is denoted by q. Positive rational number. A number should be written a number should be written in the form of where numerator and denominator have same sign. A number should be negative rational number. A number should be written in the form of where numerator and denominator have opposite signs. Proper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is less than denominator is called as proper fraction. Improper fraction. A fraction in which the denominator is less than numerator is called as improper fraction. The value of improper fraction is greater than 1. The value of proper fraction is less than 1. The measure of zero angle is 0 degree. The measure of acute angle is less than 90 degree. The measure of right angle is 90 degree. The measure of straight angle is 180 degree. The measure of complete angle is 360 degree. The 360 degree makes one complete revolution. The parallel lines do not have any common point. Intersecting lines have a common point. The lines that make to the right angle between them are called perpendicular line. Polygon. Polygon is a simple closed figure bounded with line segments. Three-sided polygon is called as triangle. Four-sided polygon is called as quadrilateral. Five-sided polygon is called as pentagon. Six-sided polygon is called as hexagon. Seven-sided polygon is called as heptagon. Eight-sided polygon is called as octagon. Nine-sided polygon is called as nonagon. Ten-sided polygon is called as decagon. The the triangle in which all sides are equal are said to be equilateral triangle. A triangle in which the two sides are equal are said to be isosceles triangle. A triangle in which no two sides are equal is said to be isosceles triangle. A triangle in which all angles are acute, then the triangle is called as acute angle triangle. A triangle in which the one is right angle is called as right angle triangle. A triangle in which the one is obtuse angle, then it is called as obtuse angle triangle. Fraction. Fraction is a representation of a part of whole. Equivalent fraction, the fraction that looks different but their lowest form is same, are said to be equivalent fraction. The equivalent fraction are the any fractions have infinity numbers of equivalent fractions. Like fractions, the fractions in which the denominators are same are said to be like fractions. The unlike fractions, of fractions in which the denominators are different are said to be unlike fractions. Like decimals, decimals in which the whole part is same are said to be like decimals. Unlike decimals, the decimals in which the denominators are whole part are different are said to be unlike decimal. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. 1 liter is equals to 1000 ml. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. 1 meter is equals to 1000 centimeter. 1000 millimeter. 1 kilometer is equals to 1 lakh centimeter. Thank you.